Hello and welcome on this beautiful day to the address of 11 South Firetower Court here in Blythewood. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, a very spacious front yard and also backyard with a wood deck. And with that being said, let's go take a look at the backyard. All right, we are now in the backyard. It is fairly open. And here you have the back side of the home. And also your air conditioning unit right here. But also you have your wood deck right here and has a side door that leads into the dining room. All right, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we're now about to enter inside the home, but just before we do, you have your covered front porch right here as well. Decent size, and let's go inside the home. As soon as you come in, you have your living room, a pretty good sized living room. Also, you have your tray ceilings right here. Gives it a really nice feel inside of the living room. Also, you have your window that looks out into the backyard with your 2 windows on the side right here, and then you have your fireplace. You do have your flooring right here, very nice flooring, complements the style of the living room. And then right here to the left, you have your kitchen. You have your wood cabinets right here. Also your dishwasher, stove, and refrigerator. Coming through the kitchen, through this door, you have your laundry room. And that's the side door that I mentioned earlier in the video from the deck in the backyard. Here you have your eat-in portion of the kitchen. You have very nice lighting above there as well, and also 3 windows to where you can look out into the backyard and also the deck as well. We're going to make our way back through the living room, and we're going to take a look at all the bedrooms and bathrooms. First door right here to the left is bedroom number 1. Decent sized bedroom. Also looks out into the front yard. And also you have your closet right there as well. Coming out of bedroom number 1, we're going to make another left. Right here beside bedroom number 1 and 2, you have your linen closet. To the right is bedroom number 2. It is bigger than bedroom number 1. But in here you have the gray walls. In the other one you have more of a tan color. You also have your closet right there, same style, just different colors. Then we're going to come out of bedroom number 2. Save the master for last. To the left of bedroom number 2, you have your bathroom. You have your shower and tub combo right here. Also your toilet and single vanity right here. We are now in the master bedroom. Decent size in here as well. You also have your ceiling fan and also pretty high ceilings as well. Nice view of the backyard from there. And to the left, that door is the bathroom, and also you have your walk-in closet that you can go in through there as well. All right, now you have your master bathroom. You have your garden tub right here, and then you have your shower right there as well. Also your toilet. You have a very large mirror and also your double vanity right there, and straight ahead is your walk-in closet. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 11 South Firetower Court. That's located here in Blythewood. 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.